That's why when you were singing covenant keeping God, I said, this man is anointed. He's anointed. Because the sun stood still, not in law. He stood still because Joshua was fighting a battle on behalf of people he was in covenant with. Now I tell you the secret of our greatness. You see, if I fight Redeemer, I will fail. If I fight winners, I will fail. If I fight Catholic, I will fail. If I fight Baptist, I will fail. If I fight Christ Embassy, I will fail. If I fight Daystar, I will fail. God has already given them the land. Not only, the only land that they will not claim is the land that is in covenant with them. Follow me. Follow me. Simple stuff. But if you get that they talk tonight, you don't hammer. An existing covenant. It wasn't just that the word he was saying came to pass. The word he was speaking was over an existing covenant between him and Gibeon. This explains why some pastors' words come to pass over some people. It doesn't come to pass some people. So when I saw that, my son, I looked at the apostolic terrain in Lagos. I said, this competition is thick. As a young man, I'm still young. Not too young, but still a bit young. I began to take little things like Gibeon. Adeboye, take your own. Redeem, take your own. Somebody hear me, take your own. Daystar, take your own. Olukoya, take your own. Fountain of Life, MFM, take your own. I carved out 5% of our income to begin to give to those I persist God had given the land. So that whatever they were speaking over the territory. See, I did the right church. I did the right church. Am I the right church? So the same way they command money, they command money. They command crowd, they command crowd. They command billions, they command billions. They know they beg, I know they beg. Crowd, they jam there. Crowd, they jam my place. The sun stood still because there was a covenant. There was an existing covenant.